your service and you're going to get that customer. That's a very powerful thing to make sure that you all keep in mind. And let's show one more. Sorry about that. Okay, so here you can see I'm doing a search on Dayton Chiropractor. Look at here, right at the very top. Okay, I want to show you this. I can show you page screens, but I want to show you why I'm so excited about this. Why you hear this in my voice is because it works. It's amazing, and businesses are going to eat it up. And you're going to be so excited to be able to go out there and show people this product because of the way it's set up. Now, I have to go back to my PowerPoint to get back where I was. I wanted to show people live examples, and that's here, the same types. These are just screenshots, but you just witnessed it firsthand live. Now, before I move on to the next part and talk about the ad networks, Brad, did you want to add anything, buddy?
Well, that's just super powerful. I mean, with the proof's in the pudding, and you just, I mean, I'm sold right now. I just want to know how much. That's just that's what it does. I mean, that's what we advertise. That's the evidence of it, and that's what people pay for to have done. And you know, it works.
Yep, it's very exciting to be able to have a product and go out there and be able to bring the people and then show them this. And one of the things I would like everybody to just be very aware of here, the same PowerPoint that I'm showing you is the same PowerPoint I show the customers. So I'm showing you the same thing that they would see, and you're going to get the same reaction that Brad just gave you. It's very common, so be very excited and be ready for it. Now, I'm going to move on to the next part of this. Now, we talked about the search engines, and I showed it to you live, but I want you to envision something. I think it's important, and maybe this is where some success and sales could come from, is being able to paint the picture even more so when somebody might not grasp it, and this kind of does. See,
hey,
here's...
Dave.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Dave. This
is
Kirby. I'm sorry to interrupt. We got a bunch of people that dialed in on our regular conference call line, and I think somebody has three-wayed this call onto that, but it's not a mutable line. So if people are hearing my voice right now on that line, if you could hit *6 on your phone, then that'll knock down some of that background noise that the people on that line are dealing with. And if you've dialed in on that line, there is a phone number that we've got that should come up on your screen there when you log into the GoToWebinar that will tell you which number to dial. So pardon the interruption, but that's the technical challenge we're dealing with on that other line. So with that, if you all hit *6, you'll be in better shape on the other line. Thanks.
Okay. Well, welcome to the others who have just joined us. I'm going to continue on here. Basically, I want to kind of get you to visualize how this all works. I've explained on Google, and you've seen it. Well, with partner websites like Men's Fitness and Martha Stewart and sites like this, you have their normal website. So here's our partner site, and here's the little ad that you would find on there. And then when you click on that ad, it doesn't bring you to the customer's website. It brings you directly to the directory. See, the directory is the landing page with the coupons and the call to action to get them to come in and do business immediately. If they want to go further and find out more about your business, there's a link that then goes to your business website. So this is the flow of how it works. First, from our partner sites to them finding you, then clicking and going to the directory page, and then maybe trying to dig a little bit further and bringing you directly to your business website. So it kind of gives you an idea how it works, very similar to banners and things of the past. And you can see down here all the different major websites we're working with, and you're going to find out more about it as we continue and move forward with all this. Now, how do I start? Okay, well, it's pretty cut and dry. You're going to be able to first choose from your 3 packages. Okay, the packages are $99 through $259, $99, $159.99, and $249.99. Those are the 3 packages. Then, when you pick those packages, you actually want to pick the certain amount of zip codes or the zip codes you want to target. Well, see, the difference between the cost of the package is simply one thing: the range or the amount of the zip codes you get to choose from. So if you get the standard package, you're going to get 10 zip codes. And a lot of businesses are okay with 10 zip codes. So that's $100. And then you can pick the Standard Plus for $159.95. And that's going to give you 20 zip codes. And then when people want a larger area, sometimes you might work with a business that has multiple chains inside of one area. So they're two different stores, but they're kind of close, but they want a little bit more. And that would be the $249.95 pack. That's 50 zip codes. So that's a large range that allows them to be able to go after. Okay. Number 3, you have the ability to create your ads. Remember, this is a self-managed ad. Now, we have some other tools, and again, in future training, I'm going to get into them, the ad builder wizard and things of that nature. But currently, this ad can be set up by the customer. And that's really the best way to do it. It allows them to be responsible for it. But you're going to find a lot of them might want your help, so you have the ability to help them and get them through to get them up and going. Here's a positive thing. There's nothing wrong with helping them to get them going quickly, because it's reoccurring revenue that you're going to make from these sales. So the quicker they're up seeing these results, the more you're going to secure them to continue and make that money month after month. See, that's another powerful thing that I really didn't talk about yet. It's one of the few businesses you can go out there and make a great living just selling ads. Now, I know there's a lot of huge leaders out there, and I've heard a lot about them. I know Brad's one of them who are great at building teams. But you could actually be somebody like myself who was intrigued by this and got involved with this because I had the ability to go out and sell. I didn't need to hire employees. I didn't need to have to put money or revenue into this. I got into the business for a couple bucks, and I had a turnkey solution, and I could run out there and start making money right away. That's powerful. Well, not only can I sell a product that's ready to go, the client can even manage it. That's powerful too. So keep that in mind. They don't have to spend additional money to get more people to handle it. Number 4, your ad goes live. We start distributing it all over, not only our directory, but the ad network and our partners. We give you phone support or free support, both phone, where it's outbound. You have tickets, so you can put in tickets if you have specific issues, not only yourself, but your customer. Wow. You could go sell a product, and we're also, meaning Zervita, is going to handle the issues with the customer service, and you can just continue on, and you don't have to worry about that. That's powerful by itself. If you're a salesperson like myself, you know there's nothing more relieving than just being able to sell a product and not have to support it. I'm bringing up all the little points that a lot of us might overlook with this so we can paint the picture of the benefits and the power behind what we have here. And businesses, again, can manage their own content. Now, I brought you and explained about the directory. I want to do one more thing, bring you right back here. I think this is important. I want to show everybody this so you can start. See, here's the directory. And you can see it's already ready and powered by Zervita, which is great. That's awesome. And if you go down here to navigation, there's an advertise with us. I want to show you this. I think it's important for everybody to see this so they know and they can start doing their due diligence and kind of comprehending things. Here's a lot of the information about what we're doing, but we also have one more product before I wrap this meeting up that I want to talk about. It's called Search Boost. Okay, Search Boost is an add-on product. It just puts your ad into overdrive. And this is a powerful thing. See, what happens here with Search Boost is you have your